Standard 2. Unit 1 1.4. Let's revise. Look at the picture and tell their names. This is cup. C-U-P, cup. This is elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. This is kite. K-I-T-E, kite. This is cap. C-A-P, cap. This is tree. T-R-E-E, tree. This is eye. E-Y-E-I. This is glass. G-L-A-S-S, glass. This is monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. This is hand. H-A-N-D, hand. This is spinning top. S-P-I-N-N-I-G-T-O-P, top. This is fan. F-A-N, fan. This is pan. P-A-N, pan. This is van. V-A-N, van. This is box. B-O-X, box. This is umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. This is table. T-A-B-L-E, table. This is watch. W-A-T-C-H, watch. This is zip. Z-I-P, zip. This is star. S-T-A-R, star. This is hen. H-E-N, hen. Thus, this is sun. S-U-N, sun. This is ball. B-A-L-L, ball. This is peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. This is duck. D-U-C-K, duck. The end.